bands.
Indonesian strategy in balancing national interest and international immigration policy. Indonesian strategy in migration policy balance two main interests: maintain national sovereignty and security, and fulfilling international obligations. Regarding human rights, Indonesia is not a state party to 1951 People's Convention, but remains actively involved in international and regional cooperation through UNHCR and IOM. Indonesia emphasizes the principle of non-refoulement or not returning asylum seekers to countries that endanger them. Although it has not been formally adopted in national law, but is implemented through administration, police, and international cooperation (UNHCR 2023). Thank you.
According to the Bond and Hoffman, refugees and the need of human rights live outside the pale of the law privilege. There are two opinions. The first opinion, pros. Ratifying the convention will strengthen Indonesia's position as a country that respects human rights. 2. Provide a clear legal framework for dealing with refugees and asylum seekers. And 3. Enhance Indonesia's international reputation and diplomatic bargaining power in human rights forum. The second opinion is cons. Risk of greater economic and social burden due to the potential increase in the number of refugees. 2. Lack of adequate legal and institutional infrastructure to accommodate and manage refugees effectively. 3. Concerns remain about security threats and potential social conflict. So, the conclusion is Indonesia should not ratify immediately, but rather strengthen national laws and regional cooperation mechanisms first, and prepare institutional capacity.
And therefore, as an immigration cooperation could include the following elements. First, assign immigration framework, a legal framework that integrates the basic principles of human rights, migrant protection, and international security. And 2, a common migration information system, ASEAN Immigration Database for tracking the movement and identity of migrants. Third, ASEAN Coordinating Center for Migration Issues, a joint facility that addresses issues of migrant works and undocumented migration. Last, migrant worker protection mechanism based on the ASEAN Consensus on the protection and promotion of the right of migrant workers, and a burden sharing mechanism for countries with high migrant pressure. Thank you.
Immigration diplomat is part of the foreign policy instrument. The two initially the protect of citizens abroad, fighting bilateral laws, immigrants work again of visa policy, support the human rights and regulate stability against SCBT. Panzer and Indonesia diplomat is speaking of the city of Indonesia. Migration work is Malaysia and the US. Bali protect to combat human trafficking.
The last question is evaluation of the effectiveness of Indonesia international cooperation in dealing with undocumented migration. According from Ms. Batch, Migration Control and Asylum in Indonesia. Indonesia international cooperation is quite effective in technical and coordinative aspect, but still weak in structural aspect and policy sustainability. Indonesia is active in various international forums, such as Bali Process with Australia to address human smuggling and undocumented migration. 2. cooperation with IOM and UNHCR for the management of refugee and asylum assistance. And last, bilateral agreements for the repatriation of undocumented migration. However, the challenges include is lack of legal harmonization between countries in the region, 2. Limited research and human detention facility, and the last, limited support from countries of origin and transit.